what has brought us here today is the form that's currently being used by the state of Idaho. And everything I read in the law says that the Department of Health and Welfare has overstepped, period. I can't understand from a health perspective why you would have to identify what church or religious organization you belong to at all. That has nothing to do with reporting statistics to the state of Idaho, apparently. It has nothing to do with sorting out which children have been vaccinated and which haven't in an outbreak of an epidemic. And that goes for philosophical exemption as well. Why would you have to justify yourself to the state of Idaho when you have the legal right under law not to vaccinate your children? So let us not forget why we're here. We're here because of the mistake that has been made. And I hope that the department will take steps to correct it. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Senator Anthony, thank you.
The language, as you've read, Mr. Chairman, is very, very clear in statute. And if I may, I've gotten responses from several school districts, and if I may read just a few from each one of them. I want to identify the school district. One of them says, yes, we use the exemption form provided by Health and Welfare. The parents date and sign each line of the immunization they want to accept. Then they fill out the second page. We do not take handwritten forms. Another school district indicates any exemption must be documented on the official state of Idaho form provided by the Department of Health and Welfare. The law does not allow parents or guardians to claim an exemption, which to me that's contrary to law. That's why we'll be supporting the motion.
Right to send in, according to the statute, you have a right to send in on any form, any letter, any notification that you want your child exempted. The statute says the parents have the option to write a note or a letter to the school telling them that they want to opt their child out. We pushed the department and asked them to redo the form and told them that we wanted wording on the form that said that this form is not required. A letter will suffice. Statute is very clear. I think what she's concerned is that the administrative rules do have the force of law.
Correct.
Or they are considered to be along that same forcefulness, but they have to be in line with the statute, and that clearly isn't the case in this. So,